So friend, today we will discuss about an essential device used in transformer, and that is Buchholz relay. If you haven't cleared your confusion yet after searching it several times on internet and YouTube, please watch this video till the end and you will never search this topic again. And this is my promise. So let us know what is Buchholz relay. Buchholz relay detect the fault in the transformer. According to the fault level, it will either sense the alarm circuit or trip the circuit instantly. Let us discuss this operation using this diagram. This relay is connected between transformer oil tank and conservator. We can draw briefly transformer oil tank and this way go to the conservator. And here is a breather. So this is the transformer oil tank and this is conservator. But the size of Buchholz relay is comparatively very small. But in this case, I have drawn this Buchholz relay in zoom. So there are two numbers of float switches which are controlled by either gases produced by excessive heat or by the flow of oil in a faulty condition. The switches are connected to a rigid part in this Buchholz relay chamber. This is a rigid part. The float switch is connected to this rigid part by hinge. It can move around this point, and there is a mercury switch. It is nothing but a glass container which is partially filled by mercury. And two terminals of this external circuit is so smartly connected in these nodes of mercury switch that in normal condition there is no contacts between these two terminals. When the float goes downward, the mercury acquires the lower position of whole switch, which will further connect these two terminals as mercury is conductive. And the external circuit has two paths. In this drawing, the upper switch controls the upper path. By the operation of this switch, this relay can be sensed. In this case of lower path, it is controlled by the lower switch. Similarly, and this lower switch control this trip circuit. And this total circuit is energized by a DC supply. Now let's explain the operation. When there is a mild or low level fault in transformer, when the fault current flowing through this winding inside the oil tank, it will increase both the temperature of oil and winding, which will further increase the volume of oil, and the excessive oil will go through this path to the conservator, and the same volume of air will drain out through the breather. This is a separate operation. But now at a certain temperature, the oil will decompose into some gases like CO2, CO. And these gases are lightweight. This gas bubble will go through this way, but after this point, as these gas bubbles are very lightweight, this will go upward direction and accumulate in the uppermost position of Buchholz relay chamber, which will further down the level of oil. Now let us understand this thing in deeper. Just assume this is a glass of water. This is the water level. If we keep a plastic ball on it and there is a water outlet bottom of this glass, when we release some water, water level goes down, and this plastic ball also follow this water level. This principle is used in this case. When the gas bubbles accumulate in the upper position of the chamber, oil level goes down. With the oil level, the float switch also goes down. And at a position like this, mercury switch, this will spread to the total surface of switch and it will connect these two terminal. Current was waiting at that point, but there was no way. But at this position, there is a way to conduct. So current will flow through this way as mercury is conductive. And it will further sense this alarm circuit. So the sound of alarm will alert the operator of transformer. He should check the fault of transformer properly. But in case of critical fault, there is a high flow of oil in this way. This float switch is also trying to go in the uppermost position of chamber because of buoyancy. But at a certain amount of fault, when a predetermined forceful flow of oil create a pressure to the float switch, it will move to the down with the help of this hinge. Similarly, in this switch, terminal of this circuit will be closed as the mercury create a path between these two terminal, and it will sense the trip circuit and isolate the total transformer from the power supply. The upper switch is controlled by the gas bubbles and the lower switch is controlled by the high flow of oil at the time of high level of fault. And at the time of maintenance, one can release this gas accumulated at the upper position by pressing this gas releasing valve. So this is the working principle of Buchholz relay. If you have any doubts regarding this topic, please comment. I will definitely clear those confusions. Thank you.